Itimo ang'o?
Amoko Taya.
Itimo ang'o?
Amoko Taya. Now when you're lighting a lamp is called Taya. So when you're lighting a lamp, you say Amoko Taya. So Amoko Taya means I'm lighting a lamp. In this case, we're just using a candle to represent a lamp. A candle in our language in Luo, a candle is called msuma. Msuma. Now msuma is a corrupted Swahili word for Luo. I will search. If you know the original name of a candle, maybe you can comment on the comment section. But I just know it as msuma. So when you're lighting a lamp, you say Amoko Taya. Let's say it together. Amoko Taya. All right.